Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to download Airtable. Have you ever found yourself struggling to get started with Airtable simply because you weren't sure how to get it onto your device? Well, today we're going to solve that problem by breaking down the entire process step by step. Whether you're using a computer, a tablet, or a smartphone, we've got you covered. To kick things off, let's talk about getting Airtable onto your device. It all begins with your internet browser. So fire up your favorite browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other choice you prefer. Once you have that open, simply create a new tab. This is where the magic starts. In the address bar, which is where you usually see the web addresses, type in Airtable download and hit the Enter key. This action will bring up a list of search results. Now here's a crucial tip. The first result you see should be a link from www.airtable.com. It's important to click on this link to ensure you're navigating to the official Airtable website. This helps in avoiding any misleading sites that might try to divert you. Once you click on it, give it a moment to load the page completely. Once you have the website up, you'll notice that Airtable offers multiple versions for different platforms. You can download it for Mac, Windows, or even directly from the App Store or Google Play Store for mobile devices. If you're thinking about downloading it onto your phone, simply open the App Store on an iPhone or the Google Play Store on an Android device and search for Airtable there. For those of you who are on a computer, the process is slightly different. Let's say you're planning to install it on a Windows PC. Look for the option that says Download Windows App and click on it. This will initiate the download process. Once the download is complete, choose a location on your computer to save the file, like your desktop for easy access. After the download is finished, you'll see the file either in your browser's download bar or on your desktop. Double-click on this file to start the installation process. You might see a pop-up window that says Installing Airtable. Be patient as it runs through the installation steps. Once it's done, you'll be prompted to log in with your Airtable account. If you don't have an account yet, now's a great time to create one. Once you've logged in, the Airtable app will open, and you can maximize the window to start exploring its features. And there you have it. Airtable is now set up and ready for you to use. That's it for this tutorial on how to download Airtable. If you found it useful, subscribe to PMN Online and stay tuned for more helpful videos.